How to secure applications that runs on Angular with Ionic. There are a few easy steps ahead for serving with SSL. First, run Ionic SSL generate. Add some options that sets the country, state and locality. You could also add its common name and the amount of bits, but it's defaultly set already, so I don't want to change that. Open up the new .ionic folder that is created and drag out the SSL folder to the root of your application. And then you can delete the .ionic folder. Now open up the angular.json to adjust some of its serve options. Add SSL to true and add a path for sslCert and a path for sslKey. When that's done, open up CertManager by typing certmgr.msc. Go to the Trusted Root Certification Authorities and then to Certificates. Right-click all tasks and import. Set the right path and make sure it's stored in the trusted root. Press yes and OK. Head back to the terminal and write Ionic serve --SSL